Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. So these features of reposting content from other people's timeline to your timelines to share with your friends is basically new, and if you don't find these features on your TikTok account, I guess you should try and update your TikTok app using your Apple Store. So once you do that, then you should have the update version of reposting content from other people's timeline. So if you have this feature on your phone, on your account, just open your TikTok, then locate the TikTok videos you want to share, then tap on the share button. Once you tap on the share button, then the option to repost will definitely show. The first option will appear, then just tap on repost, then introduce this post to other by reposting it. So just tap on OK, then you've reposted this particular video. So that is it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.